In this video, I'll be showing you how to embroider eyes on your amigurumi. Hi, I'm Nicole Chase and welcome to my channel. I design fun and colorful amigurumi crochet patterns that are great for any skill level. In this video, I'll be showing you how to embroider eyes on your amigurumi. To make these eyes, you will need a small amount of black and white yarn, a yarn needle, and scissors. Let's get started. I'm going to start by marking where I want the eyes to go. And then I will begin with my black yarn. And I will just be wrapping the black yarn around 2 rows. And I've wrapped that yarn about 5 times. And now I'm just going to let this black yarn hang down and I'm going to grab the white yarn. With the white yarn, I'm going to make an outline here on the side of the black eye. And then I'm going to make a little line right here in the eye for a reflection. So starting with the outside outline. And then I'm going to take my white yarn down just a bit here in the middle of the eye. So there we have both the outline and the little reflection. And then I am going to take these 2 white yarn tails, tie them together, and hide the ends inside because we are done with the white. Now I'm going to again put the black yarn back on my yarn needle. And for the first eyelash, I'm going to take my yarn over just about 1 stitch and feed that back through to about 1 stitch beyond where the top of the eye is. And for this last eyelash, I'm going to take it over the top of the eye and down to create that eyelash. And then I'm going to take these 2 black ends and tie them together. And hide the ends inside. And cut off the excess. And that completes the first eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the second. I'm going to start with the black yarn and loop that around 2 rows. I'm going to wrap that around about 5 times. Then I'm going to just let my black yarn lay, and I'm going to start with the white yarn. And I'm going to do an outline around the eye, and then I'm also going to do the little reflection at the top. So starting at the bottom, I'm going to push my yarn through the top of the eye and trace along the side of the eye for that outline. And again, push my yarn through to the top. Then I'm going to create the reflection by putting my white yarn through about the center of the black eye. And I'm going to have that come out at the bottom. And I'm going to take my 2 white yarn tails and secure them. And hide the ends inside. And cut off the excess. Then I'm going to reattach that black yarn to my yarn needle. And I am going to start by making the top eyelash. And I'm going to take this black yarn over a few stitches to create the first eyelash. And the second eyelash is also going to create the eyelid, so it's going to kind of overlap the very top of the eye and come down to the side. And then I'm going to tie my 2 black yarn tails together. And hide the ends inside. And that completes the eye embroidery. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.